Fast talk. So, are you ready?
No.
Okay.
Yes, joke lang, yes.
Fast talk. Timer starts now. Mario or Luigi?
Mario.
Console or desktop?
Desktop.
Controller or keyboard?
Keyboard.
Dream game night guest?
Jampong.
First video game you owned?
Powerpuff Girls.
Who's your favorite streamer?
Tyler 1.
What's your most played game?
League of Legends.
What's a game you truly suck at?
Oh, no. Solitaire.
So, what's your go-to snack when playing?
What?
What's your go-to snack when playing?
Go to snack when playing. Biscuit.
Biscuit. In 2022, I will achieve blank through live streaming.
I will achieve, car.
Okay. So that was it for our fast talk.
My God.